Hey kids, this is Rosco and it's 7:30. It's time for the Ranger Charlie and Rosco show. Yay! Yay! Oh boy, this is great. This is really good. Well, hi there kids. I hope you're having a great time because frankly, I'm not having a very good time because see, I seem to be having a little problem, you know? I seem to have the hiccup. You know, I hit him this morning when I woke up, and I can't get rid of him.
Hey, don't worry about it, Rosco. I've got plenty of great cures for hiccups. I'll take care of Rosco while you guys watch a cartoon.
Yeah, it'd be good. Good idea.
We'll cure Rosco's hiccups right after this.
Yeah. All right. Well, welcome back, everybody. Well, this doesn't seem to be getting any better. I don't know. What are you going to do for me, Bigfoot? Huh?
Okay. I got a cure, but first you got to hang by your feet.
Oh, I got to hang. Well, let me go find the ladder, okay? Here, let me take a look.
I really don't know anything about curing hiccups, but this will be funny.
Oh.
You ready, Rosco?
Oh, how's that?
Okay. Now you got to moo like a cow.
Oh, moo like a cow? Oh. Moo.
Oh, wait, I forgot. You got to baa like a sheep.
Oh, bah. That doesn't seem to work either.
Okay, wait. You got to meow like a cat.
Okay. Meow. Meow. Oh, it doesn't seem to work at all, Bigfoot. I don't think this is helping at all. Oh.
Well, wait. I'll figure out something, Rosco, but while I figure it out, let's watch another cartoon.
Oh, boy. Yeah. Yay! Oh boy, I seem to be worse than ever, and I have to do the birthdays and this. Oh, you're gonna have to bear with me, okay? Where's that birthday list? Oh, there it is. Bonnie is 9, and Andre is 10, and Alina is 6. Oh, and Michael is 2, and Heidi is 11, and Michael, he's 7. Oh boy, that was rough. Oh boy,
Rosco,
I'm in horrible shape. Oh,
I've got a cure.
Oh, not another cure. Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh.
Trust me, this one will work.
Oh, you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, let's give it a try.
Let's wrap the towel around your head.
Oh, okay. Oh.
And then put this box on.
Okay.
Like this.
Oh, okay. How do I look?
It looks real good from out here.
Doesn't seem to be working. Oh no.
Well, we'll go back and we'll help Rosco get his hiccups cured, but we'll see a cartoon right now.
Okay.
Will Rosco's hiccups ever be cured? I don't know. Let's find out after these messages.
Yay. I can't believe it. I'm okay. I'm all better. I don't got no more hiccups. This is great. I love it. Oh, boy.
Where'd they go, Rosco?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe you caught them, huh?
Oh, that's silly. Hiccups aren't contagious.
Yeah, that's great. Oh, Bigfoot, you got him. now you don't worry, Bigfoot.
No.
I have a cure just for you. I got a cure.
Goodbye.
Okay. Hey, we gotta go. Okay, goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.